Getting in order, mastering ordinal numbers in sequences and series. Hello learners. Today, we're going to dig deep into a crucial aspect of English grammar, ordinal numbers. But we're not just learning about these number words. We're specifically going to explore how to use them when discussing sequences and series. It may sound complex, but trust me, once you understand the concept, you'll be using ordinal numbers with ease and confidence in your conversations. Let's get started. Before we dive into sequences and series, let's ensure we understand what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that tell the position of something in a list. They are order numbers. So, they include words like first, second, third, and so on. Now, let's see how we can use them in a series or sequence. When we talk about sequences in English, we're often referring to things that happen in a certain order. This is where our ordinal numbers shine. For example, if you're telling a story, you might say, first, I woke up. Second, I brushed my teeth. Third, I had breakfast. Notice how the ordinal numbers help clarify the order of events? A series is similar to a sequence, but it usually refers to a set of similar things. We use ordinal numbers in series to highlight the position of an item. For example, if you're talking about a book series like Harry Potter, you could say, the first book introduces Harry Potter, the second book reveals the Chamber of Secrets, and the third book presents the Prisoner of Azkaban. Here, the ordinal numbers help us understand the order of the books in the series. It's also important to note some common mistakes learners often make. Remember, we don't use an ordinal number to denote every single item in a sequence or series. Instead, we use them to indicate notable points, or to help clarify the order of things. So, we wouldn't say, first, I woke up, second, I opened my eyes, third, I sat up, and so on. This overuse can make your language sound unnatural and overly formal. And that's a wrap on ordinal numbers in sequences and series. I hope this video helped clarify how to properly use these important words. Remember, like any new language skill, it's all about practice. So keep trying to incorporate ordinal numbers in your day-to-day English. Until next time, happy learning!